just deoptimize my account. I use my own account because I think the fake one we did was banned or something like this. I have trouble and I don't have good proxy. So you see it's not optimized. In fact, I will just remove it, and like this will work with the token, but I don't have one. So my proxy is currently my own because I'm currently in Canada as my account is. So I will just show you. In fact, I will show you this way instead. You can input a list and it will add working proxy there. Also, don't forget all these buttons that work as well. You can write and import a list. This is not working on my computer because it's GF who made it on Windows, and it's not opening Notepad, of course, because I don't have Notepad on Linux. You can ping, one second. You can ping all the IP, which mostly get all the data. Cannot get data of this one. In fact, it's not the correct IP, sorry. Think yes, this is correct. So you see the data is get. The country as well is important because if there is a country set in the account, which is get in the optimization and or the start bot, it will use to get the next proxy needed. All these options work, of course. You can change, set a description, no change in description, set a description, get a random from a list. You can of course add a random description in the database. This is a random, you can remove. Also this is no change in the distance, this is changed to this number of miles. The minimum maximum age. Use a address that get latitude and longitude or directly latitude and longitude. This I will add this way, and I will take that to change the coordinate, right? The message setting, this is not done. I need to send to detect which message to send, if the bot alert or the match not reply. Also convert the string in Spintax if used. This is partially done. I need to add this to each smiley. The Spintax function itself is done. I'm able to convert this format, these data and these data as well into the correct format to send. This is the data that work is the option that work in the launch the bot. So you can delete match after number of seconds. I need to check that if that works. It's the only option it's not made in that tab because all the date were removed from Tinder. So I need to check like the last message, in fact the last message or the date the match was created, if this is available. If not available, I will use the last message and delete if no answer after X number of times, because I know this is available. Pause after matching, pause after liking, that work in amount of second. Randomly pass user work, I will let it take. Don't like the same profile twice work. You cannot like twice the same person in the area by ID. randomly like message and like every message work as well. I made it so if it failed, it just returned that it was not the correct message to be liked, and it's also random only with the receive message, so there is no issue like liking your own message, which is not possible, thus forbidden. So I will optimize my account. It should change the it should get the proxy and change my location to Montreal. So as you see, the data have been updated, the XOT token, the FB token. In fact, it was get when this was used to log in first to Tinder. The proxy was updated. Also, there is maximum 5 users that can use 5 accounts that can use the same proxy. It's now optimized. The name, the country, the number of match, the number of message, the number of message that was answered, no answer. In fact, it's like conversation. The radius was not changed, so it's not updated, and it's not banned. So what I want to do next is launch the bot. This work, I just need to fix something, because when I tick it and I launch the bot, there is an issue launching the task, and I need to, in fact, it's not showing the log correctly, and I just need to update that. But that work, and it's like asking like, let's say I put 1 minute and I click start, it will ask me to click start, and it will delay the start, but I will not do it, and I need to fix that. As you see, I quit the program and the data is still updated, as well all the options. So I'm launching the bot. So you see there is random skip on, so I'm skipping people randomly, and I like people as well. Then it's liking random message. You see it's updating all the data, the message statistic and the number of match. Also conversation with this person, I like it, the random message too. Conversation with this person, I tried to like the random message but I failed, so this is because it's already liked, or in fact it's the only reason. Random like as well. So everything worked as I said, except the message itself, the making a conversation with someone, this all this, like integrating this in the bot itself, is the only thing that's left, and fixing that as well, checking the delay match after. Everything else work, and also compile the interface, because the bot itself is compiled. I just need to compile the interface as well with GF, so you can have a working Windows copy. So I will try to update the Trello as well. Thank you for your time, and hopefully it's done soon. I really like what we are doing, and it's quite nice.